Hi everyone and welcome. So here is the getting started tutorial for the Luckfox Pico Ultra W RV1106 Linux micro development board. And in the getting started guides, we have covered that how to connect Luckfox Pico Ultra W with the Wi-Fi running build root operating system as well as Ubuntu operating system. Now there is one subscriber demand that how to create Wi-Fi hotspot using Luckfox Pico Ultra W board. So here you can see I have this Luckfox Pico Ultra W board and I have connected the antenna, Wi-Fi antenna. Now I am going to access this Luckfox Pico Ultra W board using SSH. So here is the terminal of my system. Now where you will get the command. So you can navigate to the GitHub repository, and here I have created the entire readme file with every command which we have used in the previous video and we are going to use in the future videos. So we have flashed the Ubuntu operating system inside the Luckfox Pico Ultra W. So I'm going to use this command to connect with the terminal of Luckfox Pico Ultra W. So here is the command. I'm going to paste it and we'll hit enter. And now we'll provide the password. So password is Luckfox. We are connected with the terminal of Luckfox Pico Ultra W with Ubuntu operating system. Now the requirement is how to create Wi-Fi hotspot. So here I have provided the command to set up the Wi-Fi, or you can say to connect with any Wi-Fi. And here is the list of command to set up the Wi-Fi hotspot. So you can use this command to set up your Wi-Fi hotspot. So nmcli D is to set up the Wi-Fi hotspot. Now we are going to create the Wi-Fi hotspot using WLAN 0 interface. The SSID will be Luckfox AP and the password will be 12345678. So I'm going to copy this command. We'll paste that here and we'll run that in the sudo mode. Now here we have to provide the password for Luckfox sudo mode. So it's a Luckfox. And you have to wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see device WLAN 0 successfully activated, and nmcli dev Wi-Fi show password to showcase the Wi-Fi password. Sudo, here is the password. 12345678. Now here you can see on my phone, I hope it's visible. Here you can see we have Luckfox access point available on my phone. I'm going to click here and it will ask for the password. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here is the password and I'm going to connect. We are successfully connected, but there is no internet available in this Luckfox Pico Ultra W board. So it will check the quality of internet connection, and here you can see internet may not be available. So I want to connect always, so I'm keeping the always options, and here you can see connected without internet. So this is how you can create the Wi-Fi access point, or you can say Wi-Fi hotspot using Luckfox Pico Ultra W board. So the command is available on our GitHub repository. So here is the command to set up the hotspot, and here is the command to show the detail of your hotspot. So this is the SSID, this is the security, and this is the password. So that's it. So let's meet in the future videos, and in the future videos we are going to cover this one and this one. This is also subscriber demand, so I'll research it and we'll create the videos accordingly. So stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care. Goodbye and thank you.